Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Lexus IS300 here on a 2015 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. It's just literally right there. That's what we got to reset. The engine is running at the moment, it's ready, but the light is still on. I'm going to show you how to do that in a sec. Now these are the tyre pressures. So if you want to know what size you've got, so you've got 16s, 17s, and then you've got front and rear different. So you need to just check on your car what you've got. And to reset it, the button you got to press is in a hidden spot just right there. So that's where you got to basically press and hold. So what I'm going to do now is get in the car. I've already done the tire pressures, so I'm going to press and hold the button on the bottom. The engine is running. Now that's if I find the button now. Here we go. Nope, that's not it. Okay, I've lost the button now. My God. Here we go, right, okay. So I'm going to press and hold. It'll flash. And then now let go. So once it flashes, you just let go of the button. As you can see now, the light is gone off as well. So all I do now is turn the car off and then start the car up again, and you can see now the light is gone off as well. So there's no longer any warning light for the tire pressures. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can, and there's a playlist for Lexus as well. Do check that out, and don't forget to click on the special thanks button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.